named Amanda? Who named Amanda?
She's brown.
Who named Amanda? Who named Amanda? You guys, Happy New Year! Starting out this New Year strong. Strong. They always say, however you start the New Year, that's how you're gonna end it. And I want to start the New Year feeling good, clear mindset, full of energy, and that's why I'm working out. And I'm gonna see how much of this I can accomplish for the rest of the year. So it's a good start to the new year. Hopefully you guys start the new year strong. Hopefully you guys start the new year happy and start the new year with a clear mindset. Love you guys. And I'm not looking at you because I don't want to fall off this treadmill. So let me continue working out. What about love with me and you? What about it's just an hour beside you? What else to do? I thought you're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it.
You have choice.
Yes. Yes. The choice you made is to run. That's the choice. And I'm proud of you. Go, babe. Go, babe. The food will be ready as you get off, okay? I promise. And it will be super yummy healthy. Go, babe. Well done, honey. I'm proud of you for getting on. See? You won't die by the time you get off. I promise you.
15 minutes.
Yes. It is January 1st. It is New Year. Oh, and by the end of the year, this stuff not supposed to be shaking.
Mama, it's January now?
Yes. Come and tell the faves Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year. Bon année tout le monde.
Happy New Year.
Yes. You guys, I chose to have a clear mindset today. I chose to continue my journey today. I'm not gonna say to start all over because I've started. But I just went on a little pause for the Christmas break. I know your girl is back, okay? I'm back. And I got up this morning. I got a little sleep in when I got up. And I head straight to the treadmill by choice. I put some chicken in the oven because I know it would finish by the time I get off the treadmill. By the time I would finish workout, it would finish. So I'm in the kitchen right now. Haven't showered as yet. I'm finishing up cooking. And then I'm going to shower. Babe is actually running right now. So that's good. Baby's following suit. So we're starting off our New Year busy. The chicken? It's here. we're starting off our New Year's busy and on the right note. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. My babies are hungry. Everybody's hungry around here. So let's get cooking. I'm actually doing some oven jerk chicken. Oven jerk. I'm putting it back in the oven to get some color in a bit. And then that's gonna go with some veggies. Tyler said he want mini pizzas, so little pizzas in the oven for Tyler. And I deliberately only do 3 little ones, so I know that Tyler will just have those and none only for me and babe. Yeah, so babe and I are gonna have veggies and chicken. So yeah, I'm making some salad and I'm gonna add some quinoa to it. I have some quinoa in the fridge, which I'm gonna warm and add to this salad so we can have some quinoa salad.
What's your name?
What's her name, Dad?
Rainbow.
Her name is Rainbow.
Yes. Hello, Rainbow. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
And what's my name?
My favorite brother, Tyler.
No, my name is Who. I'm like a baby with a lot of color. I'm Rainbow. What's your name? I know what's your name. Your name is Sarah.
Here, Tyler and Sarah.
Oh.
Careful. Well done. You did well. I'm proud of you. Even though I don't see no sweat, but I'll take you.
Eh?
I don't see any sweat, but I'll take you. Okay, guys. So here goes lunch. Here goes lunch. Quinoa, veggies, and oven jerk chicken. Yes. Good way to start the new year. And there goes our plate.
Come in.
Lunch is ready. And Tyler is having his pizza. You finished your pizzas already? Who's so pretty? Who's so handsome? You. You. Let me see. Look at mama. Ooh. supermarket. I'm gonna do the supermarket haul right now with Minnie. Ready, Ty?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. They can't see you. Where are you? They see you? Where are you? Oh, there he is.
They can't see me.
Yes, they can see you. You've gone too far away. Come back here. There you are. What's that?
That is Papa.
What? Look at it again. What's that? It's cheese.
No, it's not. No,
It's cheese to go on the pasta. They
no,
can't see
it's
you.
just to go to macaroni and cheese.
It's cheese to go on the pasta, then it become macaroni and cheese, silly.
It's for
What is that?
me for breakfast.
Stop speaking like that, sir. What's that?
More cheese.
Okay.
I beg you, Papa.
Tyler, take your time, please. He's so funny.
Oh. You already saw.
You want to put in the back feed something?
Yeah, Tyler said he wanted pizza though. But I still take the cheese line.
What should I take?
I don't know what you want.
I can take a pizza if you tell one.
You want a pizza?
But
Or you want this?
No, I want pizza.
Okay. What's this? What kind of pasta?
Vegetable.
Vegetable pasta. And that smoked salmon
Pass
for my
for
lunch.
that bag. Pass for that bag.
No, do one bag at a time. Because I'm packing out same time. And you show them biscuits for your lunch, for your snack at school?
Yes.
Okay. What's that?
Corn.
Corn. For who?
Everyone. Pasta.
Pasta for who?
Everyone.
Oh. Plantain?
Banana. That
I
is
don't think that's plantain.
Banana.
and some other snack from Thailand.
No.
How you call that? Fajitas or
Wrap.
wrap? Yeah, but you call a specific name for Mexican people.
Tortillas.
Tortilla, I think it's tortilla, maybe I don't know.
Tortilla wrap.
Whatever that name.
Kai, be
Tortilla,
careful.
tortilla, maybe it's tortilla. Ouch! You say ouch?
This is pure fruit.
Tyler. Some beer for Tyler.
Beer.
Beer for Tyler.
No, please.
What? Sure. You're a man.
Quinoa for
Tyler, Fifth Casino.
Quinoa for only mama.
So we're gonna try
Quinoa
to
for
cut.
only mama.
Yes, for only mama and papa.
We're gonna try to cut the apple juice. Let's challenge apple juice challenge.
Apple juice
We
challenge.
only have 2.
We only get 2 this week.
Don't cut it the apple juice.
And 1 orange juice.
Jungle.
Jambon.
Jambon.
And 1 wine. Oil wine. Is to make your inside smooth. So you drink it and then when you eat the food it's going down fast.
What cocoa?
Not cocoa, that's not true, that's Amanda. Amanda?
That's definitely not Amanda coming. I eat no Amanda.
Yogurt for Sarah.
You can Amanda.
Yogurt
honey.
for Sarah
Almond.
and peanut.
Oh, what is Amanda? Oh, that's...
Amanda is a girl name. Who named Amanda?
Ah.
Who named Amanda?
She's brown.
Who named Amanda? Eh? Who named Amanda?
She's in good shape.
Who named Amanda?
She have a green skin.
Who named Amanda?
And she's good.
Who named Amanda?
You don't want you to call your daughter Amanda?
I know too much people named Amanda. You put the tomato in there?
Yes.
Why, Tyler?
Salad. Salad.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. You don't say salad in English?
No, only French people call lettuce salad. Salad is the entire combination of all the vegetables. Because it's only French people call it. But it's true. You guys, what do you call lettuce? Lettuce.
Lettuce.
What do you call salad? Salad is a mixture of different things that you're gonna eat. So salad is the lettuce, the tomato, the corn, the carrot, the cabbage, everything together. That's a salad bowl.
And also
How can you call lettuce salad? No,
Call
wrong.
it lettuce. They have all their own name. But salad, whenever we see one, we say salad.
So when you're going to a restaurant and order salad to eat, vegetable bowl, what you call it?
No, the restaurant they're gonna call the combination. They're gonna call it.
What they gonna call it?
Like,
Salad?
yeah, salad there is a combination. They call it like you, but as a common speaking, it's like you Jamaican. It's like you Jamaican, you call tea everything, but when you go into a restaurant and you want hot chocolate, you're
Yes,
gonna
say
say
hot
tea.
chocolate.
You're gonna say hot chocolate.
Right, right.
Because salad everything. Haha, how to turn a situation to your
Yes,
advantage. You declare your defense.
That's okay. That's okay.
Alright, Tyler, what is that? Is a lot of yogurt. We got Tyler yogurt. What kind of kid get this type of yogurt? It should be written not under something. We have to get two because Babe was getting sad.
What?
He eat all of your
Because
yogurt.
Tyler started to eat my yogurt. He doesn't want his yogurt that he used to love anymore. He said, Mama, I don't want Danette anymore. The Danette that you always see me doing the hall, he said you want mine. So. Good job, shrimp.
And this is mine. Some kiwi, some vanilla. And some what, Tyler? What is that?
And some more.
Some pineapple. You don't see it's pineapple, is ananas.
And
Ananas. And hide them from Tyler.
Before him starts saying 1 year.
Oh yeah. Turkey. We tried this turkey meat for the first time. Let's see how it
And
goes.
some
And some chicken, some
Some gold.
how you call it? I was about to say white
Chicken breast.
chicken breast.
Some more.
So let's see how the chicken breast will turn. You want to do that in the salad?
Yes, that's why I
They
buy.
can't hear me.
Okay, so we're gonna do that in the salad.
Hear me, Mama.
They can't hear you because Papa talking. You're not supposed to talk and Papa talking. Talk now.
That is some gold.
Some chicken
That's why you want them to hear
broth.
you because you know you're not going to say the right thing. You're funny. Sarah.
Jumbo fish.
Jumbo.
Jambon fish. No, it's
Salmon.
salmon.
Most.
So if you don't get it right, you don't eat
Sushi.
it. That's not sushi, that's turkey. Turkey. Let's try. We got some
And
new
the
things.
Yeah, we got a lot of new
gold.
That's another
I
gut. That's a beef. That's a
wanna
beef
try
gut.
new thing.
Yes.
Okay, let's try this beef gut. That looks yummy.
You guys, I'm going to put these down the
And
fridge
this
because
is
I'm
the
going to season them tomorrow.
They're finished.
Alright. No, there's another bag.
There's another bag here, Tyler.
Something needs to go in this oven.
Oh yes.
Ravioli.
Stop shouting, Pumpkin. Give it to me. Tell them what it is.
Ravioli.
Alright.
Ravioli.
And I said no shouting, you're too loud.
Lemon.
Tyler, say the right thing. What is that?
You think you're funny?
You
think you're
lemon.
Okay, so you're not gonna get some.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm whipping it.
So what is it? Honey. Yes, baby. It's
And this kind of stick on
So we have a salad too. That's how you call that, right? Together, you make a salad.
Yes, you make potato salad. That's
Potato
what
and
I do.
carrots together. That's salad.
Sarah wants to be a part of the list.
Oh,
That's not ravioli. Show the face what it is.
that's some pasta. Green pasta.
Y'all know Melly's up to something, right?
Oh, and some sweet potatoes. It's very sweet.
Give it to me, baby.
You want sweet potatoes?
Yes.
And I already finished.
You already finished? Okay. You take the bag, you take what is inside? Because I don't want him to fall asleep inside.
Yes, I take it too.
You take it out. Alright guys, that was it for today. We got a good amount, honey.
Yeah, but not as that's our usual.
What are you up? This is what you're up to?
No. Carry it around the back, please and thanks.
No raclette for the rest of the year.
No, we finished with raclette. We finished with all things fat.
I can get raclette at lunch.
No. When I'm not at work with you, you're gonna eat broccoli and carrots. Honey, take out the potato and go on now. Go and sit down.
And come on there.
Let me show you guys Miss Screamer. See Miss Screamer here? Miss Screamer!
Yeah.
Our brother all up in her grill. God.
Hey, stop it, that.
You must stop and leave her alone. Sarah, Miss Screamer. Miss Screamer. Miss Screamer. You know your brother clothes. This is my boy, I see, man.